Hello friends. Welcome back to Tech with IQ. Let's learn how you can block an account on Instagram. Launch your Instagram. Click on the circled button in the bottom right corner. Click on these three lined icons to open settings. Now click on the setting button. Click on the privacy button here. Scroll down. Here click on these blocked accounts options. Now click on this plus icon in the upper right corner. Search for the account you want to block. Let's say I want to block X, Y, Z. Simply type X, Y, Z, and from options select the account you want to block. Click on the block button here. Here you can see two options. If you select the first option, it will block XYZ along with other accounts they make with same email or phone number. If you select the second option, you will just block this specific account. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel